Alright, here is the 19... let me check the date on it. Alright, what we got? 1985. March of 1985. It's a model number AT50-6FWK1. It's got 58,000 BTU. R22, 12.25. An EER of 6.4. PSI is 350. Cooling watts is 910. Rated amps is 7.5. And yeah, and it comes with one of these. Which this is a wiring diagram for it. I gotta clean this out before I use it. I found possible replacement things. I don't think these aren't gonna work. Oh no, maybe it will. Oh, it might. The air conditioner's bigger than this. That's fucked up. Well, that's not gonna fit. At least this one's intact. So we'll just take this out and replace the bad stuff. Get all that out of there. Alright. So we're gonna get the things in this replaced. First, we got the pieces. But we gotta put them back together so they don't have gaps. So this is gonna be a fun one. So I gotta tape all these pieces. I'm quite happy with that. Alright, now to put it on the air conditioner. I gotta super glue this. It's starting to crack. So I gotta super glue that now. So, in my little set, I am missing the correct bit, so I put a piece of metal. Over there. So now, well, I'll just demonstrate it. Piece of metal over there. So now, it'll screw in. Well, should. Is the correct term? It works. Oh my god, I swear. My ingenuity skills are just chef's kiss, I guess. Now this should come off. Oh baby. Wow, that's This is the exhaust port, which looks nice and clean. Here's your coils. I'm gonna take this off and see what's cooking in there. Take a look at what we got cooking in here. Okay. It's a General Electric, made in Mexico, dielectric, no PCBs capacitor. It's a 25 UF at 7.5 UF. Oh, it's got a 25 UF and a 7.5 UF, a 370 volts AC. Okay. I'm just gonna put that back in. It looks fine. Let's get our back off now and exurb the inside of there. This could be the very first time this thing's getting serviced. Well, maybe that's all that's under there. Let's see. Oh, there's screws under here too. Oh wow, that's a work of art. Right, man. Off. Cool. We got trippage. And we're getting nice and cold. Look at that. I'm only staying in the temperature, the cool temperature range, where it says save energy range, right there. That's my goal. Cold, we get 59 already. Where's the rest of you? Since my dad doesn't give me access to the garage, I'm gonna use the Kirby as a freaking air blower. Oh, let's see how this Cleaning's done. Looks pretty damn good. Looks pretty damn good. Coils are clean. They look really nice. And the fan looks nice. Yeah, everything looks good. So that cleaned up nice. These cleaned up nice too. This part did. That cleaned up nice. I don't care much for the outside portion. I just want the inside portion clean because that's what my air is going to smell like. So it needs to be clean. So we're going to let this dry for a bit. And yeah, I'm going to put this, well, I guess it was never glued technically. So I guess I can just stay like that. This is got to get dry. Here's this. That looks good. I got this glued back. It's done. I'm gonna wait for that to dry. I'm gonna give it like 2 hours. Let's see if we got the condenser wet. All back in there. Alright, that looks factory. Now what I gotta do is I gotta super glue these broken fins. And I gotta super glue the badge on, which is right here. I cleaned it. The General Electric badge was stuck on with a piece of sticky tape, which is ridiculous. I have some tape here that'll work, so we'll get that back on. It's Gorilla Tape, so we'll see what it does. Alright, I got those glued and I got that put on. So just gotta wait for this to dry and then I'll put it back on. Don't have to worry about tripping over a cord with this one, you just carry it. And you're on your way. Oh well. This will be interesting. Looks good. The filters. We're ready to try it. Alright, so I have this vintage air conditioner. It's been running for a day now, and what I can say is This thing blows ice cubes. It literally keeps a constant temperature in this room. Like this, it's really good at keeping the temperature stable. And the thermostat still works on it because it shuts off when it gets too cold and then turns back on when it loses temperature. So it's still a perfectly good functioning air conditioner from the 80s. I mean, you can tell it's from the 80s. I mean, look at that panel. Wood grain. Yeah, it blows cold. I slept wonderfully today. And yeah, this air conditioner is like freaking good. I've actually been having it on low cool, and it's been doing just fine on the energy saver range. Like, it does perfect. And it looks snazzy and cool looking. Let me show you the outside of the unit. Here's the outside of the unit. General Electric. Oh, it's been dripping quite a bit. Oh yeah. There we go, that's better. Yeah, this is a vintage air conditioner. Purely vintage. It's got R22 in it. And it runs beautifully. Wish I had a temperature gauge. Oh wait, I do. I do have a temperature gauge. Well, I wouldn't really follow by this thing's reading, but that thing's saying 50. Maybe I should put it right on the actual unit. It's a refrigerator temperature gauge, but it's 50 in here possibly. I think it's cooler than that, but yeah, the thing works beautifully. So, yeah.